Hi guys, today we will see how to dismantle this iPhone S6. Let's go to the video. Guys, today we will see how to dismantle iPhone. First you open these two nuts of iPhone. I already opened one. Yes, see here, do not miss the net because iPhone net is costly and it will not be sold in any showroom or anything. Yes, see here, this is a easy dismantling way of iPhone. Only the two screws you can remove in these sides, and you can dismantle everything easily in your screwdrivers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment yourself. Thank you for watching.